Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Available in multiple sizes, this high-quality drill bit features a 1/4-inch hex shank that fits power drills and quick-change chucks effortlessly. Crafted with a high-grade carbide tip and a fully sharpened edge, it enables rapid and precise drilling, ensuring longevity and dependable performance. Perfectly compatible with drilling machines equipped with chucks, it's ideal for creating clean holes in wooden boards, floors, or any other materials. Its innovative external thread design efficiently discharges waste during drilling, helping to maintain optimal cutting conditions for consistent, successful results every time. Enjoy faster, cleaner, and more accurate drilling with this versatile, durable tool. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. RexBetti Versatile Sheet Metal Nibbler, the ultimate tool for achieving precise, burr-free cuts on 14-gauge material. Designed with a 360-degree double cutting head, it effortlessly navigates straight lines, curves, and even circles. Equipped with high-speed HSS cutting blades, this tool can tackle a variety of materials including sheet metal, corrugated surfaces, pipes, complex profiles, powder-coated items, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, and fiberglass. Compatible with any drill operating between 1500 to 3000 RPM. This nibbler delivers more power and efficiency than traditional shears or snips, making it a perfect addition to your toolkit. Whether you're performing car repairs, cutting metal roofs, installing HVAC vent pipes, or handling other home maintenance projects, the RexBetti Sheet Metal Nibbler is engineered to get the job done quickly and accurately. Engineered for peak performance, our high-speed steel drill bits are enhanced with a robust titanium coating, ensuring they remain sharp and durable through even the toughest jobs. This advanced coating increases wear resistance and reduces friction, keeping your bits cooler during extended use. Our versatile step drill bits eliminate the hassle of constantly switching between sizes by covering a wide range of hole diameters ideal for metal, wood, plastic, and even countersunk holes. The 135-degree split point tip is designed for superior wear resistance and longevity, while the innovative two-flute design ensures smooth cutting and efficient removal of debris for cleaner, more precise drilling. With 5 commonly used sizes in one comprehensive set, you'll have the flexibility to tackle a wide array of materials and hole dimensions, streamlining your drilling tasks every time. Align the precision machined notch on the clamp's center rod with the positioning pin mark on your board. With the clamp held firmly in place, drill your first hole with confidence. For a series of evenly spaced holes along the board's edge, simply attach the supplied pin to the center bar, insert it into the initial hole, and repeat the process. This guide drill system comes complete with a durable bushing, ensuring quality and a long service life. The practical joinery punch locator is designed for convenience, making woodworking easier for both seasoned craftsmen and beginners alike. Quickly master the art of precision drilling and elevate your joinery projects with this reliable, user-friendly tool. Discover the ultimate screwdriver designed to tackle all your screwdriving needs. With 3 speed settings, slow for carefully backing screws out, medium for everyday tasks, and fast for driving large fasteners, you can easily adjust the tool to match the job. Its compact, lightweight design ensures long-term comfort and effortless access to tight spaces, reducing hand fatigue even during extended use. A built-in battery indicator keeps you informed of remaining power, while the USB Type-C charger gets you quickly back in action. Plus, integrated headlights illuminate dark spaces, so you never miss a detail. Engineered by Works with cutting-edge technology and top efficiency standards, this screwdriver is a durable, cost-effective addition to any tool collection. Introducing the Rexbeddy Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set, a must-have kit for tackling even the most stubborn fasteners. Crafted from high-hardness chrome molybdenum steel, these precision-engineered extractors are built to effortlessly remove damaged bolts, nuts, and screws, whether they're stripped, rusted, or frozen. Thanks to an innovative internal thread design, the more you turn, the tighter the socket grips, delivering exceptional torque and a secure hold every time. This comprehensive set comes with 13 extractors, plus an extra piece, all neatly organized in a heavy-duty, blow-molded storage case. Perfect for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Rexbeddy set ensures durability, efficiency, and ease of use for every bolt extraction challenge. The ideal power tool for heavy-duty jobs is the DCK angle grinder. Powered by a robust 6.7 motor and delivering up to 800 watts of output with speeds reaching 11,800 RPM, it's built for professionals like metalworkers, plumbers, and anyone who needs reliable, high-performance grinding. Despite its power, this metal grinder is incredibly lightweight at just 3.5 pounds, and its slim design paired with a 7-inch grip ensures a comfortable, fatigue-free experience, even during extended use. Switching grinding wheels is a breeze with the spindle lock, and the slide switch with lock on, plus the 2-position side handle, give you enhanced control and reduced strain. With 2 adjustable safety guards, reinforced metal gears, a labyrinth dust-proof structure, a detachable dust filter, and automatic brush cutoff protection, this grinder is designed to last while keeping you secure. Plus, with 3 different types of wheels included, you can effortlessly tackle projects from cutting iron pipes and tiles to restoring old furniture. Advanced toolkit designed for both the seasoned professional and the dedicated DIY enthusiast. This innovative system features a unique upright design paired with a versatile multi-component bit check that's engineered to integrate flawlessly with standard impact drivers. At its core lies advanced IMPAKTOR technology, which not only extends the service life of the components, but also guarantees robust performance under demanding conditions. Every element of this assortment has been meticulously crafted to ensure exceptional reliability and precision, even during prolonged use. With its blend of durability, efficiency, and modern engineering, the BitCheck 30 IMPAKTOR 1-bits assortment stands out as an indispensable addition to any toolkit, ready to tackle a wide range of projects with ease and confidence. Powerhouse of performance with this CSA-certified sander and grinder combo, built for durability and precision. Its heavy-duty construction and reliable induction motor, rated at 1/3 HP and 3.5 amps, ensure robust power under load, delivering a no-load wheel speed of 3,450 RPM and a belt speed of 4,480 FPM. With a tilt range from 0 to 90 degrees and a swivel belt housing that shifts from horizontal to vertical, it adapts perfectly to any project. A 6-inch, 60-grit white grinding wheel, complete with a tool-free adjustable eye shield and LED light, enhances safety and visibility. Quick-release tension and tracking mechanisms make belt changes effortless, while dual workbenches, one robust cast-iron table for metal work and a cast aluminum table, ideal for wood, offer exceptional support. A stable cast-iron base with rubber feet minimizes vibrations, ensuring smooth and precise operation every time. Revamp your woodworking game with the innovative ArborTech Power Chisel Kit, designed to transform even the toughest timber removal projects into a breeze. This remarkable tool is powered by a robust 8-amp electric motor that handles hardwoods with ease, delivering up to 11,000 strokes per minute for an impressively smooth yet forceful performance. Engineered for precision and durability, the kit comes complete with 7 top-quality chisels, and it's fully compatible with chisels from earlier models, ensuring a seamless upgrade for your toolbox. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, thanks to a reliable, lockable safety switch. And when it's time to switch tasks, the chisels can be exchanged in seconds at the push of a button, making your work more efficient and enjoyable. Enhance your roofing project with this dynamic roofing roll nailer, designed to nail full head rolls with incredible precision. Its adjustable shingle guide ensures fast, consistent spacing, while the integrated side slit pad keeps the tool firmly in place on the roof, even when placed at an angle. With a large capacity magazine that holds up to 120 nails, you can focus on the job without stopping frequently to reload. The tool-free adjustable depth ensures consistent and controlled nailing, and the 360-degree exhaust system keeps the tool cool during extended use. Plus, the interchangeable trigger provides flexible activation that easily switches between single-shot, fully sequential, or double-shot functionality. However, in impact mode, if the safety head contacts the workpiece again after recoil, it may accidentally drive a second nail. To prevent this double shooting, avoid pushing the nailer too hard into the surface, and allow the recoil force to fully pull the tool out before continuing to fire.